Scoop4Kids! Imagine a flying robot buzzing giant smoky volcano to save the day.
This is a volcano in Sicily, one of the most active and beautiful volcanoes on Earth.
Before a volcano erupts, it releases gases. Drones fly in to measure them safely.
Each drone uses a special sensor and a laser beam to measure those dangerous gases.
Fun fact:
Mount Etna has been erupting and active for thousands of years.
By predicting eruptions early, these flying helpers keep nearby towns and families safe.
Today's word is sensor, a special tool that detects things like heat or gas.
That's today's scoop. See you tomorrow for another Scoop4Kids adventure.
Check out scoop4kids.com.